If I had to build a real business system today with very little money and no big tech team, Google Sheets would still be my starting point. Not because it's simple, but because it's powerful when used the right way. Most people think Google Sheets is only for basic tracking or Excel like work. But in real businesses, Google Sheets often becomes the backbone of finances, financial tracking, operations, dashboards, internal tools, and workflows. The problem is not the Google Sheets, but the problem is how people use it. In this video, I'm starting a complete playlist where we will build real business systems using Google Apps Script and Google Sheets. This is not a beginner tutorial series and this is not theory. Everything here is focused on how business actually work to automate things like emails, alerts, and workflows. And in the final videos, we will build and deploy a real web app using Google Apps Script. Throughout the playlist, I will also share how I use AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini to write scripts, debug errors, and speed up the development part. So AI is not a separate topic here, but it becomes a part of the workflow. This playlist is for you if you work in corporate, operations, finance, analytics, or maybe if you are building something on the side. It's also for founders and freelancers who want systems, not more tools. If you're looking for theory or maybe fancy dashboards, this won't be that. This is about building things that actually get used in a real business, maybe in a job or maybe you're building something else. I recommend watching these videos in order. Each video builds on the previous one, and by the end, you should be able to design and automate a complete business workflow on your own. Well, in the next video, we will start with Google Sheet fundamentals, only the parts that actually matter, and then we'll go ahead accordingly. If this sounds useful, maybe then subscribe so you don't miss the next videos. Yep, let's begin.